Hi guys! Today I'll try to clarify the difference between these two confusing adjectives, careless and carefree. Careless is basically the opposite of careful. So if you are careful, it means that you do things with a lot of attention and care. On the other hand, if you are careless, it means that you do things without enough attention or care. For example, we can talk about careless driving or careless drivers, or we can say that somebody's work is rather careless. Being careless is generally negative. Careless is basically the opposite of sensitive. So if you are careless, you are insensitive, and it means you can make a remark that is careless, or you can be careless with your words, and that can make other people upset, or that can hurt other people's feelings. Careless se na srpski prevodi kao bezobziran, neoprezan, nemaran ili neobazriv. Let's now take a look at how careless is used in different movies.
Result of your careless behavior.
Careless and reckless behavior.
Women and children can be careless, but not men.
Don't be careless, but don't be too careful either.
Carefree, on the other hand, means having no problems, no responsibilities, and no worries. Carefree can be used for people, so we can say they are such a carefree couple. It can also be used for periods of time, so for example, we can say, I remember carefree summers spent at the beach. Being carefree is generally a positive thing. Carefree se na srpski obično prevodi kao bezbrižan. Let's now take a look at how the adjective carefree is used in different movies.
Why can't I be the cute, carefree Irish guy who sings all the time? Hello, fabulous, carefree life.
Carefree and nomadic, and they live where the food is.
Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope I've managed to clarify the difference between careless and carefree. If you did enjoy my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you again, and goodbye for now.